secondary schools from Goa. In all, 35 higher secondary schools have confirmed their participation, and this is a very big number for us for this year. This event will be held in Institution Menezes Braganza Hall, Panaji, Goa on 3rd September 2026, beginning from 9:30 a.m. and going up to 8 p.m. The total budget is more than 2 lakhs, which consists of cash prizes, trophies and medals. The competition will be inaugurated at the hands of Dr. Ajay Gowde, the Director of Sports and Youth Affairs. Many distinguished guests are also invited to witness this competition, which will focus on local instruments and music. We request to provide wide coverage to this event. Thank you. The other details will be shared by our Organizing Secretary, Mr. Chetan Kamlikar.
Thank you, Madam. Once again, a warm welcome from my side to all the press and electronic media. We are happy since this is being the 5th year that we are organizing to promote inner talent of the students in our local instruments, that is a Ghumat, Shamir and Kasai. We are happy since this is a record number of entries that we are having, and we have increased the cash prize from last year. We have given a heavy cash prize of more than 50,000 first prize, 10,000 second, and third group cost of 5,000. Besides that, consolation prizes, then we have introduced for the first time 2 participants, that is best individual prizes will go for the best Ghumat Vadak, best Shamir Vadak, best Kasai Vadak, and 2 singers, male and female singers. And special consolation prize will also go to if we have only female participants. But this will give a boost to all the students, because this is being one of the criteria for LEP when they go to the college section. This is one of the biggest criteria for music and culture. And we have a very good PTA because who is supporting us with this event. More than 2 lakh prizes have been sponsored by PTA, and we look forward to the best of the music that will be played by the students. The students are playing local music and they are taking classes, so we will see the best of the music that is being played before the Ganesh Chaturthi, and I am sure our press and electronic media would give us the full wide coverage so that local talent is exposed to the fullest level, to the national level as well as to the international level. Once again, a big thank you for all the press and electronic media for giving this coverage and coming over here for the press conference. Thank you.
What is the intention of the school or the management to come up with this kind of?
Since this is the 5th year, we have been doing it continuously for the 5th year. We intend to promote local talent, and our institution, our principal also is full out for promoting local talent, so that the talent in the form of culture comes up, and the students, not only this all-round development personality also is developed of the students.
How is the response for last 5 years for this?
Earlier we had restricted up to 25 entries, and this year the PTA has said, go ahead, we are there with you. We'll make a record of this competition so that those also intend to can do much better. But intention is good to promote the students into culture as well as the other levels.
So there is no capping for this thing. So any number of entries can be included.
We had restricted to 32. But what happens is there was a demand and our principal would not say no to them, so we have increased it to 35.
So this is for all Goa or only for the North Goa?
No, this is all Goa High Secondary. Teams from Kanpona also will be coming. Savate, Kulchore and all Bichori, majority Kalkas, we have given them slots, morning slots and afternoon slots. So all the secondaries that are high secondaries that are far off will be called in the morning slot, and the close by high secondary will be called in the evening.
And who are the judges for this?
Judges, we have got all the judges who are teaching Ghumat Arti. One is Sahid Gawas is there, one is Mr. Patel, one is Sulekar. All these are local artists who have in fact they have been participating in all this, and they are the judges for the state judges. They are all state judges.
So all Marathi, this Ghumat Arti, right? Or there are traditional Konkani?
No, we are not restricted to anything.
So anyone can put?
Yeah, we are restricted to 2 2 artis and 1 ghazal. And we have kept the timing of 15.
Any arti or you have
No,
given
no.
a particular artist for this?
Only artis.
No, any arti.
Yeah.
Any arti,
Only
right?
artis.
Thank you.